So guys, today is the day of and only OTC charts are available on the market. Guys, OTC are the over-the-counter quotes and they are not amenable to fundamental analysis, but technical analysis is quite possible, as well as indicators. Guys, today we are going to trade using moving average indicator. It will tell us the price reversal on the market and it will help us to analyze the market. So guys, I will remind you how it works. I have it already connected and all the settings are led by default. So in the indicator, it looks like a moving average which is formed directly on the chart, and the signal on this indicator is the moment when, for example, the price crosses the moving average from top to bottom and then continues to move further. Also guys, the moving average itself unfolds and begins to move after the price. So this means that a trend reversal has occurred at this point and the price is trying to decline in the near future. So in a similar situation, we could open a short position, and when, for example, the price crosses the moving average from bottom to top and also continues to move further, while the moving average itself reverses and moves after the price, this means that the reversal has also occurred from this point and an upward movement is expected in the near future. Also, of course, guys, when we have consolidation zone situation, we pay attention to the support and resistance levels as well as the overall trading situation. Only a combination of technical analysis and indicator combined will give us a good result. Guys, it's important to watch this video till the end because today we will try to look for good situations on the market and we will try to increase our profit thanks to this indicator. Perhaps you will enjoy to trade with it and yeah, you will use it on your own trading, who knows. And so guys, I think that also I forgot to tell you that I use 15 seconds Japanese candlesticks to analyze the market. For me, such way is more informative, and yeah, I usually work on the situations I'm good at and I know best, because guys, all the situations on the market are periodically repeated, and yeah, this is the most important thing here, which is to recognize the situation in time and open a deal in connection with the decision made. So guys, here we see that there has been an upward movement recently, and from a certain point there was a reversal. Red candles began to form, and at the same time the price crossed the moving average from top to bottom and continued to move further. Also, the moving average itself has turned around and is moving after the price. Guys, in this case, it's just to open a deal for 1 minute to go down. For sure, the price will move in the correction zone in the near future. That is, there will be at least a slight downward pullback. We'll try to make money on this downward movement, and so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Join my private channel for free trading signals. So my dear traders, it's not bad at all. The price continued to move down and we got the profit here. So I was able to correctly predict the further price movement, and the indicator helped us in this, guys. I hope that you feel more clear and you understand much more how to use such indicator. And yeah guys, so let's continue trading session. We have a support level down here. We also see that at the moment the price is reversed and red candlesticks are forming. So at the same time, the price has crossed the moving average from top to bottom and is moving further. Also guys, the moving average itself has turned around and is moving after the price. So in this case, I suggest open a deal with a margin of 2 minutes for a downtrend. Okay guys, it is more likely that the price will continue to move towards the level, since the price here also has a good downward potential. Guys, also the main price highs are decreasing. That is, the overall price potential is mainly going down, and it is on this downward movement that we will try to make money. Also guys, yeah, let's wait for the end of our deal. Guys, it's not bad. The price continued to move down and we got the profit here. As you can see, the indicator turned out to be right again. It suggested us a good entry point. Guys, in combination with technical analysis, this indicator works great, and so let's continue. So guys, we also have a level of support here. At the same time, we can see that after the pullback, the price turned around and crossed the moving average from top to bottom. After which, it continued to move towards the level. So in this case, as just to open a deal for just 1 minute, guys, it's a short position. The price has a good potential to go down. Just at the moment, the price is going beyond the level. This means that it is quite possible that we will get into the most impulsive price movement down to the very breaking of the level, guys. As a rule, 1 minute in such situation is quite enough. It is on this downward movement, on breaking through the level, that we will try to make money. Guys, let's wait for the end of our. If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket Option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment, saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens, unfortunately. Okay guys, it's not bad. The price has continued to move down, the support level has been broken, and we got the profit here. We have time to work with you on this downward movement. Well, so far everything is going great, guys. Let's continue. So here we see that there was a reversal from a certain point while the price crossed the moving average from top to bottom. I suggest that we will open a deal here for 1 minute. It's going to be short position. We see that we have a certain resistance zone at the top, and just at the moment the price is pushed off from the zone and is moving down. Red candles are forming. It is more likely that in the near future the price will continue to move in the correction zone. That is, there will be a downward pullback, and we'll try to make money on this downward movement. Guys, I think 1 minute here will be totally enough for us, and because guys, look, we can see the red candles are still forming at the moment. So yeah, let's wait for the end of our deal. Great, guys. Okay, the price really got into the correction zone. There was a pullback down and we got the profit here. So I have managed to make money on this movement, guys. The indicator has helped us in this, and so far everything is going great. Let's continue. Okay guys, here we also see that there was a good confident uptrend, and from a certain point there was a reversal. At the same time, the price has crossed the moving average from top to bottom and is moving further. So guys, in this situation, I suggest that we will open a 1 minute deal. It's going to be short position. It's more likely that after a confident upward movement, the price will also fall into the correction zone and a downward pullback will occur. We'll try to make money on this downward movement, and I hope that 1 minute here will be totally enough for us, guys. And so let's wait for the end of our deal. Guys, it's not bad. The price still continued to move down and we got the profit. We have time to work with you on this downward movement. 1 minute was just enough for us here. As you may have noticed, this situation is similar to our previous situation, and as you can see, guys, such situations always work out the same way, and it is precisely these situations that once again confirm the fact that all market situations always repeat themselves, and in most cases always work out the same way. Guys, let's continue. So we have a support level down here. In this case, guys, I suggest that we immediately open 1 minute deal short position. Guys, as you can see, after the first touch of the level, there was an upward pullback, and after the pullback, the price turned around. At the same time, it crossed the moving average from top to bottom, continuing to move on. Also, the moving averages itself has turned around and is moving after the price. At the same time, we also see that the main price highs are getting lower. That is, the price is mostly moving down. It is on this downward movement that we will try to make money here, guys. As you may have noticed, we have already worked with you on a similar situation today. I hope that 1 minute will be enough this time, and we will be able to make a profit here with you. Guys, that's great. The price continued to move down and we got the profit here. Also, the indicator turned out to be right again. It suggests us a good entry point. So guys, as you can see, it works really well. Well, guys, let's continue. So here we see that Even after the downward pullback, the price turned around and at the same time it crossed the moving average from the bottom up and continued to move further. Also, the moving average itself has turned around and is starting to move after the price. I suggest open a deal here for 2 minutes. It's going to be a long position, guys, with a high probability that the price will continue to move towards the level, since the price here also has a good potential to increase. The main price lows are also getting higher, guys. At the same time, I chose the time of 2 minutes with a margin, taking into account a possible cancellation or pullback down, since, guys, as you understand, the price can move in waves. That is, even the upward movements, downward pullbacks can occur, and it is with all these movements we chose such time. Guys, let's wait for the result. So guys, that's great. A slight downward pullback, the upward movement continued, and yeah, we got the profit here. Guys, once again, I was able to correctly predict further price movement, and the indicator was right. It helped us in this, and yeah, this is it. So that's it, guys. I hope now you are more familiar with moving average indicator. I hope now you know how to use it. Just try to turn on this indicator, guys, then find similar situation which we had on the market today and try to trade with it. Guys, if you trade and train more and more, and you will be able to feel more confident, and you will analyze much faster, and your decisions will be more and more correct with the time. Also, guys, I hope you already subscribed, and also don't forget to put a big thumbs up to this video because it's very important for my YouTube channel. And also, guys, don't forget that I have a closed community with passionate traders, and there I share my trading signals. Yes, I share them for free. So if you want to join us, guys, don't forget to text me a code word signal. All the essential links will be down below. Yeah, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.